Now, what is the question number 5? Find the length of the diagonal of a rectangle whose sides are given to you. Let's draw a diagonal of different sides, 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Do you know, on rectangle each corner have the 90-degree angle. And diagonal means opposite vertex को मिला देना. This is the diagonal. So tell me which type of triangle is this? ADC is a right angle triangle whose length and breadth is given to you, and this is your hypotenuse. So what is the length of this diagonal? Again, by using Pythagoras theorem. Why I use Pythagoras theorem here? Because the half of rectangle is become right angle triangle. Now h square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. H is h. This is 8 and 15. You can take any one of the P and B. किसी को भी आप B और P ले सकते हैं. That is 64 plus 225. When I add them, what is the h value? Hypotenuse value is 17. So answer is 17 centimeter. Now what is the question number 6? The foot of a ladder is 6 meters away from a wall. Let's draw a wall here. This is a wall and the foot of the ladder. This is a ladder and the foot. This is given to you how much? 6 meters away. Clear? And its top reach a window at 8 meters. और जहां पर ये वॉल को टच कर रही है, that is given to you 8 meters. If the ladder is shifted in such a way, its foot is 8 meters away, find the height does its top reach. Now, they are asking, this is a wall, if I increase the distance between their feet, now where the ladder touch the wall, we have to find this. For this, we have two values. हमारे पास बेटा two values होनी जरूरी है. There are three sides of right angle triangle and only one side is given to you. How I find my hypotenuse? From this figure, I find my hypotenuse first, because the hypotenuse, the length of the ladder is remaining same. So, what is the hypotenuse here? That is 6 square plus 8 square. It is given to you. The length of the foot is 6 and the wall height is 8. This is 36 plus 8 8 is 64. This is come 100 and the hypotenuse come to you 10 centimeter. Now in this figure, if my hypotenuse is 10, my base is 8, what is my distance of window and the foot? From here, same process, h square is equal to p square plus b square. H is given to you. Perpendicular we have to find, that is p को p रहने देंगे, that is 8. 100, 8 square, 8 8 is 64. 100 minus 64 is equal to p square. 36 is equal to p square. 6 into 6 is equal to p into p. So, what is the value of height? That is 6 centimeter. Clear? I repeat this question. Firstly, a ladder. एक सीढ़ी आपको given थी, वो सीढ़ी आपने wall के साथ distance पर लगाई 6 and 8. Then you find the height of the ladder. When you find the height of the ladder, they are saying the distance between feet is increase. Now, अब जो आपकी ladder है वो कहाँ पर touch करेगी? So, ladder height and base height is given to you, then we find perpendicular height. Now what is the question number 7? A right angle triangle is isosceles if the square of the hypotenuse is 50. What is the length of each side? Do you know isosceles right angle triangle? What is the meaning of isosceles right angle triangle? That means a right angle triangle in which these two sides are equal and hypotenuse square is given to you. This is square given to you. Very simple question. Put the formula. H square is equal to B square plus P square. Square value is 50. That is x square plus x square. Now it is become 2x square. And when 2 divide 50, it comes 25. And 25 is the multiply of 5 into 5. So what is the length of each side? That is 5 centimeter. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Now what is the question number 8? If the side of a triangle are 3 meter, 4 meter and 6 meter long, determine whether the triangle is right angle triangle. अगर ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल होगी तो यहाँ पर क्या होना चाहिए? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम इक्वल होनी चाहिए. एंड डू यू नो द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड इज हाइपोटेन्यूज. 3 sides are given to you, 3 meter, 4 meter and 6 meter. This is the longest, so I take this hypotenuse and the other 2 sides I have taken base and perpendicular. Now what is the h square? 6 square, that is 36. Now what is the base square plus perpendicular square? 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16. Are they equal? 36 is not equal to 25. So answer is no, we can't draw a right angle triangle with the help of these line segments. Now what is the question number 9? Verify whether the following triplets are Pythagorean and not. If triplets का मीनिंग है ये 3 नंबर्स, ये 3 नंबर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम बनाएंगे या नहीं बनाएंगे. जो बेटा हाईएस्ट नंबर है दैट इज योर h. And the other you can take b and p. What happen? Hypotenuse का square equal होना चाहिए the sum of these two number square. One question I have done for you. Do the other parts yourself. 8, 9 and 10. Highest number को always आपने क्या लेना है? h लेना है. Other two numbers को आप b या p, any you can choose them. Now h square, that means 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10. That means 100. b square plus p square. यही फॉर्मूला होता है. h square होना चाहिए इक्वल 8 का स्क्वायर प्लस 9 का स्क्वायर. दैट इज 64 प्लस 81. 8 8 जा 64, 9 9 जा 81. Look, are they equal? Hypotenuse square is not equal to b square plus p square. So no, 8, 9, 10, these numbers are not triplets, not Pythagorean, sorry. Not Pythagorean triplet. Clear? Check all triplets with the same process. Take highest number h and the square of other two. If they are equal, then your answer is yes. Do worksheet 4 in your fair notebook. If any query, then ask me. Thank you.